Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So after creating your account and all of this, you forgot your own password. I mean this sounds dumb as fuck, but we all know that this happens. So in today's tutorial, we're gonna go through how to actually reset our own password on this Vinted platform. It doesn't really matter what type of device you are using since I'm gonna talk about all of them. So fast and easy as usual, let's get started. So, as I told you, if you are using a phone, Android, iOS, go all the way through the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Look for basically the Vinted app, then tap on download. After this, we're gonna tap on the app, the login screen. If you can see, basically forgot my password, just go all the way and tap it. Otherwise, I'm gonna go to vinted.com, the website, then tap on Vinted here, all the way to sign up and log in. Come here and tap on continue with email, tap on forgot my password, tap on it, enter your email address, your full email address, then tap on continue. They will send you an automatic message or email to confirm that it's you, so you can basically log in again. And that's the whole idea. So basically that's it. Basically that's what you need to know. After tapping on continue, they will send you that email. You should go all the way to your email address, tap on the link, confirm it's you, change your password, and come here to log in again. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.